Hello and welcome back to Carnatic Bytes by Kural. Spend the next 3 minutes with us and we promise you'll learn a little bit more about Carnatic music. This is episode 10. In the last 3 episodes, we've learned about some of the components or angams of Taalam and we've learned what is Jadi and what is Nadai. In today's episode, let's look at some of the most common Taalams you are likely to hear on stage and understand their mathematics. But before that, let's understand 3 common terms we're going to use in this episode and henceforth. First is aksharams. Aksharams is the total number of beats in a Taalam. So if you take Adi Taalam, you have 8 aksharams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same way, if you take Tishra Jati Ekatalam, you have 3 aksharams. 1, 2, 3. So, aksharams again is the total number of beats in a Taalam. Let's understand matras. Matras is the total number of beats within each beat. And this depends on the Nadai. So in Tishra Nadai, you will have 3 matras per beat. In Khanda Nadai, you will have 5 matras per beat and so on and so forth. The last term is Avartanam. Avartanam is one cycle of a Taalam. Now, let's understand the mathematics of a few Taalams. As you know, Adi Taalam has 8 aksharams and in Chatushra Nadai, it will have 4 matras per aksharam. So, in one Avartanam of Adi Taalam, you will have 4 into 8, which is 32 matras. Let's take Rupaka Taalam. You have 3 aksharams. In Chatushra Nadai, you will have 4 matras per aksharam. So, in one Avartanam, you will have 4 into 3, 12 matras. Next, let's take Mishra Chapu, which is, it's a cycle of 3.5 aksharams. 3.5 into 4 gives you 14 matras in one cycle of Mishra Chapu. And lastly, you have Khanda Chapu, which is, it's a cycle of 2.5 aksharams. 2.5 into 4 gives you 10. And hence, one Avartanam of Khanda Chapu is 10 matras. So the next time you hear any of these Taalams on stage, we hope you are able to understand the mathematics behind these Taalams. Do stay tuned for our next episode, where we will discuss more on Taalam. We hope this was useful to you. Thank you.